You stitched one side of the zip on, do up the zip, take the other back of the skirt, right sides together, the fabric, place the other side of the zip. We're going to sew down this side. The zipper foot is on the other side for the machine. Undo your zip, place to the machine and start sewing. Remember to line up the needle and line up the tape with the top of the skirt. Needle position can be moved. And start sewing. Remember to keep the tape in line with the overlocking on the left hand side and sew down the other side of your zip down to the chalk mark. You can see the chalk mark. As you get closer, be ready to stop. One more stitch, reverse, back tack. Take your work out. Do the zip up, making sure it does do up. You've not caught the teeth. The last bit of creating the zip insertion is to sew from a few centimeters below the zip. There's the zip there. Again, with your zip foot, what we want to do is sew up to here and back tack. Remember, it's a 1.5 seam allowance, so you should be 1.5 centimeters from the edge. No need to back tack at this point. You want to sew up and get as close as you can and reverse back tack. Make sure that back tack is nice and straight on top of the stitch that you had. There you can see I've come up to the base, and on the other side I have also come up. If I take the thread out, trim back your threads, I've got a nice finish. And when I look at the base of the zip from the outside of the skirt, it's really minimal. Obviously that's a strain when you pull it, but minimal to suggest that is where the zip is in place, which is the concealed zip.